My name is Ankit Chaubey and I'm back with another video. So the topic that I have selected today to speak upon is how to find a solution to any problem. So problem is something which comes in everyone's life, and that is something that comes in everyone's life as a temporary basis. Problem is not something that is going to stay with us forever. We all know this, but still we are not able to acknowledge this. We ignore this and we start, once the problem comes up in our life, we get panicked, and once we get panicked, things don't work very well for us. So I think it's very important to first of all to understand what the problem is and how to get rid of the problem. So today I have selected three categories of problem which I feel like is the most common categories of problem that everyone face. So the first one is career problems. Definitely career problem is the most common thing that we all face, and how I'm going to tell you that how to get rid of this career problems with an example. Suppose there is a person who knows that these are the skills and these are talents and this is the work for which they are made for, and suppose there is a person called X and he knows that he's very good in dancing or got the natural talent of dancing. After knowing this, he wants to become a choreographer, he wants to perform at the international level. It's a very good, everyone dreams to perform at the international level, at the bigger level. That's a very good thing. But if they don't get initially to the international level, they feel dejected, they feel disappointed, and they start doubting themselves. I think in that particular phase you need to understand that might be you're not good at the international level. You have the talent, you have the skills, but you need to develop your skills up to the mark, up to the standard, so that you can perform at the international level. So meanwhile, it is very important to get connected with your art. Don't leave your art in between. Okay, so if you're not able to perform at the international level, meanwhile you can take up small projects, because every big thing start with a small one. So you can just take a small projects, like you can teach dancing in school and colleges, you can teach dancing in small dancing institutes, which is because of this you'll be staying connected, you'll be connected towards your dreams, you'll be connected to your arts, to your profession where you want to make your career out of it. And you can just teach people, teach them about how much do you know about your skills, and you can go home and have a proper relaxation, and then you can discuss about your dance with your teachers, gurus. You can just discuss this with your friends, and you can just correct your flaws, you can correct your mistakes, and then you can come back harder. And if you feel like that now, yes, I'm prepared to go for the international level, definitely you can go out there and just perform the international level, and you will get success. Definitely if you don't get success, definitely there's a flaws, and you need to come back again, follow the same process, same pattern, and definitely you will get success. Or it's very important to have conviction and believe in your heart. The second thing is financial problem. We all face financial problems, definitely. And either someone is doing a business or somebody is doing a government job, private job, we all face some financial problems. So how to get rid of a financial problem is very important. I think it's very important to just take a piece of paper, and I'll let you know with an example. Suppose you're working in a private company, there's a person Y who's earning some amount of money working in a private company. So he's getting this is amount of money, he knows this is the money that he's getting it every month. So you can take a piece of paper and you can just note down that what is the amount do I need to spend so that my month goes very well. I should not ask, or I should not look for money for somebody else. And if somebody is asking for it, definitely help them, because the more you share, the more you gain in life, but that sharing should be under limitation. So you need to just think about, okay, this is my expenditure, this is my this is the amount that I basically I use every day, and this is the amount only I have to use, and that amount should not be over under, it should be under your limitation. It should not be overflowing, it should not be underflowing, it should be under your limitation. Okay, this is the amount that I have to use every day. Don't be miser. I'm not saying you to get miser, to become miser, but definitely that amount should satisfy your needs for every day, and keep that under budget. Definitely first month you will fail, second month you will fail, but third month, fourth month, after 6 months, these things will come into practice, and this will get rid of your financial problems. The third thing which I feel which is very important is family problems. After everything, after discussing, dreaming, and everything executing, definitely one thing that if we all face a problem, that is a family problem. Our parents thinking don't understand, our parents don't understand us, or our brothers, sisters, we have clashes of thinking and mindset. I think it's very important to get rid of family problems by discussion, by having a fruitful conversation. Suppose your parents want you to become a doctor and you're not interested in becoming a doctor, you're good in English literature, you want to follow paths, you want to go and pursue your passions, and your parents want you to become a doctor. So you need to sit down with your parents, have a fruitful conversation with your parents, tell them that I'm not good in medical, I'm not good in biology, if I become a good doctor, I'll not become a good doctor, and I anyhow pass in biology, if I go in college, I don't think so I'll get good marks, and eventually if I don't get good marks, I don't have interest in that, I'll not become a good doctor. Tell them that I've got interest in English literature, I write good poems and essays. Read basically your poems, whatever you have written, and tell them your parents that my teachers definitely appreciate me whenever I lead English literature, because I get good marks in English literature. So talk to your parents on the basis of facts, logics, and beliefs. Once you convince your parents, definitely your parents will get convinced, and they will understand, okay, so this my kid is interested in English literature, and if he follows his passion, he'll become a good poet, or whatever he wants to become, whatever he wants, whatever he desires, he can become that. So convince your parents with facts, logics, and beliefs, and this is how you can get rid of this kind of problem, that falls in this category. Hope you love this message. If you love this message, you can like as well as comment below, as well as don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is ANKITCHAUBAY. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye for now.